Good day everyone. Today we will see how to create Teapoy design as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go block, B enter, block name Teapoy, select object, pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, parameters base point, click center. Okay, parameter linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, okay. Now select parameters, go properties, number of grips 1. Okay, select distance 1 parameter, go properties, rename, scale, enter. Dist2 parameter, rename dist2, enter. Distance 3, select parameter, rename, dist1, enter. Okay, now go actions, scale, select parameter, select object, select dist1 and 2, enter. Okay, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, stretch 1, select, go properties, angle 180, enter, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, select, enter, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, select, enter, stretch 3, select, go properties, angle 180, enter. Okay. Okay, now go parameters, visibility, visibility point, visibility status, rename, hexagon, new, circle. Okay. Now hexagon, set current. Okay, now go visibility, select hexagon, make invisible, select object, select, enter. Again visibility, circle, make invisible, select, select enter. Visibility, select SQ1, make invisible. Enter. Visibility, select SQ2, make invisible. Enter. Visibility, select SQ3, make invisible. Enter. Visibility, select ellipse, make invisible. Enter. Visibility, oval, make invisible. Enter. Visibility, select rec 1, make invisible. Enter. Visibility, rec 2, make invisible. Enter. Go visibility, select R and C, make invisible. Enter. Make invisible, select distance 2, enter. Okay. Now select hexagon, save block, close block editor. Okay, let's see. Circle, okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.